A meteoric rise in revenue and valuation has investors clamoring to get in on Anthropic's potential IPO. But that type of growth does not come without challenges. Kate Rooney looking at that angle for today's Tech Check segment. Kate.
Hey, Sarah, so we did hear for the first time just how fast Anthropic is growing. It's actually a lot faster than even the AI company expected. Here's how CEO Dario Amodei put it yesterday at their Claude Developer Day in San Francisco.
In the first quarter of this year, we saw, if you were to annualize it, 80x growth per year. Ooh. That is the reason we have had difficulties with compute, right? We've planned for anything from it only grows a little to it grows 10x, and yet we saw 80x.
That is the first time we've heard that number, guys. So Amodei called it exponential growth and then said that is what's driving a recent scramble for compute. So the CEO highlighted Anthropic's new deal with SpaceX, now SpaceX AI, as they're calling it. Anthropic will use all of the capacity of the data center they have in Memphis. So it is the latest sign of this string of deals, compute deals, and that demand that we're seeing. So Anthropic teamed up recently with Amazon and Google. That was just a couple weeks ago for a combined 10 gigawatts of capacity. Those also came with $25 billion and $40 billion investments, respectively. Amodei says, quote, "We are going to acquire as much compute as we can," which could also bode well for some of the hyperscalers out there. There's clearly demand on Anthropic's side. The growth, we should say, is also driven by Claude Code. That was the big highlight of the event. It is the crown jewel in Anthropic's AI business. And then we did also sit down with the creator of Claude Code yesterday, who does expect all of this momentum to continue as more people start coding. He says we are at a printing press inflection point right now in tech history.
My prediction is software is going to be a basic skill. The same way that reading and writing is, everyone in this room can write. And this is just a really important skill for modern society. And there's all these things that we can do as a society we would not have been able to do if people were not literate. We can do far bigger, far more ambitious things.
So this is a printing press moment in history.
That's my feeling.
Guys, you can check out the entire interview over at CNBC.com. Back to you.
Really fascinating. The whole coding literacy thing, I mean, that's a topic that takes me back to recode conferences from a decade ago, but it's funny to see it happening now in real life.
Yeah, absolutely. And I should also mention, we are, speaking of Anthropic, just getting some headlines out of, we talk a lot about the Elon Musk OpenAI trial. Interesting piece of the testimony from Mira Murati, who was the CTO of OpenAI. At one point, this goes back to OpenAI's ouster of Sam Altman. They, at the time, considered, according to Mira's testimony here, actually merging Anthropic and OpenAI and installing Dario Amodei as the CEO. So fascinating headline as we talk about Anthropic. Just wanted to squeeze that in there, guys.
Yeah, it doesn't look like that would happen anymore, Kate.
No, not today.
Once upon a time when these companies were a lot smaller, actually not even that long ago, because they've just grown so fast, so large. Kate Rooney. Kate, thank you very much.